Hello guys, welcome to suite number 9 at the Earth Lodge. This place is, there are no words to describe how amazing this place is. This is your foyer here. We've got some snacks and some little gifts. Coffee, tea, anything you could possibly want. Hot chocolate, little cookies, and then keeping along with the drinks theme, the most comprehensive mini bar I have ever seen. I don't even know if this could qualify as being mini, to be honest. Wine, sherry, cocktail mixers, a freaking lime. They already have a lime in here. Beer, soda, champagne bucket. Amazing. And all included, I think. Right, and then we move into the living and bedroom area. This is bigger than our apartment, for real. I mean, first of all, I wish you could smell this because it smells amazing in here. It smells like my dreams are coming true. That's what it smells like. Look, what? This. And we've got this canopy. I'm sure no mosquitoes are getting in here, but it's awesome. Over here, an unexpected surprise. If you like art, you can paint, you know, a leopard or a lion. Follow me. I just want to point out, this being the Earth Lodge, this is actually made of earth. There are pieces of hay and plants, and it's really cool. And back here we've got a little vanity section. Closet. And pièce de résistance, the bathroom. Big fluffy robes. This amazing tub, which I wish I could use, but South Africa is in a drought right now, so I will not be partaking in that. Huge shower. Amazing sinks made out of stone. And outdoor living. Private pool, right here. No fences, I might add, at this place. Animals walk around freely. They said, don't go out at night. Elephants could come up. You might want to go inside then. They had lions a while ago. That's really nice. Oh, I can't wait to spend more time out here. This place is nuts, guys. This place is nuts.